Axure Q&A, how to create dynamic indicators. At Axure Forum, a user wants to create a dynamic indicator that appears on each page. But he didn't know how to effectively and intelligently implement it, so he sought help. This indicator has 3 states in total. Use the previous icons to indicate different states. We can easily achieve this requirement through repeaters. Below, you can see how I implemented it. Firstly, create a dynamic panel with 3 states. Place an icon for each state to represent different states. Then place a label on the right. Convert it into a repeater. The repeater has 2 columns, one for label data and the other for indicator state name data. Delete unnecessary columns. Add an item loaded interaction to the repeater, add 3 cases and conditions, and set their conditions to the text of the step column. Then change the dynamic panel state to the corresponding state. Then set different indicator states for each page.